Do you sometimes feel that sustainability is out of your reach? Here's a simple formula that I like to use for achieving sustainability in each unique circumstance. 1. Regional suitability. Includes but not limited to questions such as, what is the community needing? Does this fit into the surrounding landscape? What can the vernacular history and climate-specific architecture show me? 2. Available resources. What local and natural materials are available in abundance? Are there free resources to utilize in the area? What types of professional support is available locally? What can be utilized without importing? If importing is practical, is its use minimal? 3. Inputs over time. How long will the building last? What types of weathering is expected? How much maintenance will be required? How much of the building requires mechanical equipment? How often are they likely to break? How much will all this cost and who's available to fix it? So take regional suitability plus available resources minus inputs over time, and that equals achievable sustainability. A high score in the first two and a low score on the latter will give you a high score overall. So that's what we're going for. Try it for yourself. Do a mini self-audit of your building project, rating each item on a scale of 1 to 10, and see how you do.